to one land division modes for large migration. Today's topic is migratory birds pose huge risk to flights. Wildlife body rejects Greenfield airport plan in Puri. This can be seen in page number 6, The Hindu. Wildlife Authority rejected proposed Greenfield airport plan in Puri. Main concern is huge risk of bird strikes to aircraft. Region has large presence of migratory birds. Area lies on an important avian migration route. Bird strike can seriously threaten aviation safety. Environmental concerns rise over habitat destruction. Biodiversity and ecosystem balance may be affected. Highlights conflict between infrastructure development and conservation. Authorities may need new location or further environmental studies. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.